Yes, good morning my dear students. In today's session we are going to discuss about a new chapter, that is cubes and cube roots. At the end of this session, dear students, you will be able to understand or you will learn these things, that is what are cube numbers, okay, what are cube numbers, and how to check whether the given number is a cube or not. What is a perfect cube called? Okay, then suppose a number will be given, it is not a perfect cube. What number should be multiplied to that given number? The least number should be multiplied to that given number to get a next perfect cube. Or for the same number, what number, the least number should be divided to get a previous cube number. These all things we are going to discuss in today's class. I repeat, what is a cube number, what is a perfect cube, and how to check a given number is a cube number or not. Okay, and what number should be multiplied or what number should be divided to get a cube numbers. Okay, dear students, in next session we shall discuss about cube roots. So in today's session we are concentrating towards only cube numbers. As you all know about cube numbers, if a number is multiplied itself 3 times, okay, then the product what you will get, that number is called as a cube of a given number. For example, let me take a very simple number 1 into 1 into 1. If you multiply it 3 times, you will get a cube number, that is 1 itself. Okay, however the 1 is multiplied as many times, you will get 1 only. So what is the cube of 2? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is a cube of 2. Understood? Since the number, natural number, is multiplied 3 times, okay, triple times, that to get a cube number. In the same way, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Like this, you need to learn till at least 15 natural numbers, 1 to 15 at least. Square numbers starting from 1 to 30 you need to know. Understood? Yes. So soon after starting this chapter at your home, very first you need to write is cube numbers, that is 1 to 15. 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. Cube is equal to 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 2 cube equals 8. Like that you need to write till 15. This is compulsory. Okay, dear students. So let us know what is a cube number. If a number is multiplied 3 times, see here, example, two into 2, 3 times I have multiplied, so that can be represented as 2 to the power of 3, since you have learnt all these things in your previous chapter, that is exponents. Okay, when we have the same factors 3 times, so this is about first property of exponents, first law of exponents. Okay, when the bases are same in the multiplication, exponents can be added. How many times? 1 2 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so 2 to the power of 3, the value of 2 power 3 is 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. In the same way, five into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So 5 power 3 is equal to 125. In the same way, if you want to write 7 into 7 into 7, okay, so that will be equal to 7 cube, so that is 343. Like this, dear students, you need to learn 1 to 15 compulsorily. Cube numbers 1 to 15 is compulsory. Square numbers 1 to 30 is compulsory. Understood? So this is called a cube number. What is cube number? The number which when multiplied by itself 3 times then the product what we get is called a cube number. If you want to write it in a statement, you can write it as it is what I said. Multiplied by itself three times when the product so obtained is called cube of a number. Okay, dear students, then what is meant by a perfect cube? I want to tell you one more example, that is, these are all positive numbers, isn't it? So what can be done for the negative numbers? Suppose you have a example like this, minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Dear students, we have already learnt in our previous session, that is, whenever we have odd number of negative integers to multiply, your product will be negative only. Odd number of integers antandre 1, 2, 3. 3 is an odd number. 3 times we are multiplying negative sign, so the product will be negative only. So keeping that in mind, we will write minus outside and we will write 4 cube inside the bracket. So that is minus 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Clear, dear students? The thing is, whenever you get a negative numbers, to find a cube of it, okay, at that moment you have to keep a negative sign in the product as it is. Okay, then you can go for multiplying the given number 3 times. That is minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus is taken outside. 4 cube is equal to 64. Minus 64 is your value. Hope everybody understood. Clear? And one more thing is, here you have to understand, that means we have a note. We have to keep this in mind. The cube of positive is always positive. The cube of negative is always negative. This is the point, you have to keep it in your mind. Note 1, cube of positive number is always a positive. Clear? In the same way, cube of negative number always negative itself. This must be understood by everybody. Okay, no need of multiplying the sign as many times we have got. Just you have to keep it in mind. If the given number is positive, so your value will be positive, that the cube of that particular number will be positive. If the given number is negative, then the cube of that particular number will be negative only. Keep this in mind. Also we have one more instance. What is that? What is the cube of even number? 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply 3 times, you will get even number only. Suppose 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, it's an odd number, you will get the cube of that odd number will be cube only, odd only, sorry. Okay, so like this, 7 into 7 into 7, you have got, that is 343, it's an odd, 7 is odd, so the cube of that number is also odd. In the same way, 2 is even, the cube of that number will be even. This also you have to keep it in your mind, that is cube of even number always even, cube of odd number is always odd. Okay dear students, keeping all these basics, so let us try to understand whether the given number is cube or not. Okay, before this, one more point is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. What do you mean by perfect cube? Dear students, it is very simple. Till now what we have discussed, the same thing we have to represent it here, that's it. Okay, the cube of any number itself called as a perfect cube. Okay, a cube of a number is called a perfect cube. For example, here I have taken 343. Okay, 343 is a perfect cube. 8 then 125. Okay, then then you can take 64. These are all the numbers called as perfect cube. Okay, if you multiply 6 3 times, you may get 212, 216. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Even you can mention that also, 216. These are all the numbers called as perfect cube. Okay dear students, keeping all these things in our mind, we shall proceed for the problems. And one more thing I want to tell you, that how to check whether the given number is perfect cube or not. The factors of that number frames 3 same factors. That means in a group, if we get factors of a same number, then we can call it as a perfect cube. Okay, if the given number can be expressed in the form of triplets of the factors, then the given number can be called as a perfect cube. That means what I am telling is 8 is a perfect cube, isn't it? That can be expressed in terms of factors in triplets. That means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times we have done, isn't it? Also, you may get too many different factors, but it should be in triplet form. Understood? Then we can say that the given number is a perfect cube. So let us go with some examples to understand it very clearly. Example question is 297 a perfect cube? Is 297 a perfect cube? This we need to check. As I told you, dear students, in order to check whether the given number is a cube or not, we need to go with a method called prime factors. Yes, you all know about the prime factors. How to find out the prime factors of this 297 using a division method which you have learnt in your previous classes, that is 297. For this you should have an idea of divisibility rules. What is meant by divisibility rules? Suppose instead of 7 if you have 2, easily I can say that in the unit digit 2 is there, that is why the given number is divisible by 2. And if I want to check whether the given number is divisible by 3, we need a separate method. I mean we have a separate steps. That means you need to add the digits of a given number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the given number is divisible by 3. ಅಂದರೆ 2 + 9 + 7 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸಮ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಏನಾದರೂ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದರೆ then I can say that the complete number is divisible by 3. Suppose if you have 5 in the unit digit, easily it can be understood it is divisible by 5. Understood? We have some ideas which you have learnt in your lower classes, divisibility rules. Okay, yes, 297. 2 + 9 is 11, 11 + 7 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, so I am going to take it 3. 3 9s are 27. Again 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 3s are 3 3s are. Then 3 1s are 3 1s are. Then 11 1s are. So represent these factors here. That is 297 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. So dear students, observe here, we have a factor called 3 which is in triplet, but 11 is not in triplet. That also should be in triplet. Whatever the different type of factor you get, that should be in a triplet form. The factor should be in triplet form. Then we can say that the given number is a cube number. So since we don't have here, since a factor (11) is not in triplet, therefore 297 is not a cube number. Yes, have you understood? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 3 into 3 into 3 ಇದೆ, but 11 is not in triplet. In order to get it in triplet, still we need to multiply 121. That means 11 into 11, ಇನ್ನ 2 11 ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. Okay, but we don't have. So that is why the given number is not a perfect cube.